Welcome to the Java class. In this video, we will discuss loops in Java. The first loop is while loop. The syntax of the while loop is here equal to 5 and condition if it is true, then it will move inside the while. If condition is false, it comes out from the okay. Similar to if statement, the while loop parameters can be boolean type or can equate the boolean value. Okay, so it may be boolean type or it can maybe equate the boolean value. The conditional statements like greater than, less than, greater than, and less than or equal to, greater than equal to, not equal to, and equal to. The condition statement equate the equate to the boolean. Here check here why num1 is less than num2. Here condition, suppose num1 is 0 and num2 is 10. The condition is the 0 should be less than 10. Okay, so condition 2, the loop moves inside the loop. Okay, next is do while loop. The syntax of the do while loop is the keyword do and press closing brace and at the end while keyword and condition. Okay, the do while loop is this post test. This is post test loop, means first it will execute the it will repeat the questions once, and after that it will check the condition. Okay, so this is called as post test loop. Okay, if you do not allow for the change in condition, both while and do while loops will run forever as infinite loop. Okay, so here if you do not allow the change in condition, it will while and do while will run forever as infinite loop. It will move infinitely. Okay, next for loop. The for loop of syntax of the for loop is for int I equal to 0 and I less than time to run, means suppose you want to run the loop 100 times, just put your 100, then I plus plus and inside the for loop here some logics. Here the for loop repeats the code to reset number of times. Suppose you mention here 100, it will run 100 times. Okay. Next, the syntax of for loop contains three parts. One is initialize counter, means I equal to 0, and conditional statement or stopping condition. Conditional means it should run until the 100 times, means the value of 100. Condition is I less than 100. Okay, because I am applying the less than not equal to, here the I start from the 0, so you should use less than if you want to print 100 times. Suppose you use less than or equal to 100 times, it will print the messages not one times, means 101 times, 101 times. Updating the counter value going to the next. Suppose here I is initially 0, each and every loop I will be incremented by the 1. So this is called as updating the counter. Okay, here is a task. Open the value checker class in ID, just create a class that is ID value checker. In your ID means notepad, use do while loop, so that program will continuously ask for the user for a lucky numbers and display the run to the console. The program should terminate when user enters the 0. The program should be get terminate once user enters the 0. No message should be said if a 0 value entered. So there should, no message should not be displayed if it is 0. With no message should be displayed if A is 0. If A is 0. Okay. Next, here I have the program that is the value checker about the program about the loops. Here I have created the class that is value checker. Inside the value checker class we have here main method, which is public static the weight string ARGS. I am using scanner class here. Scanner I, new scanner system.in, and value initially value of value is 0. I am using do while do system.out.println enter a number. I am entering the number with help of the keyboard, and whatever you enter that will be stored in the value. Whatever I will enter that will be stored in tab. I am checking the condition. If value equal to 7, then it should print that's the key. Else if value equal to 13, that's unlucky. Okay, so here I am applying if value equal to 7, that's lucky, and else after the else I am using here another if statement, that is value equal to, that's unlucky. Else if value is not equal to 0, the number either lucky or not lucky. Then after that the condition, first it will make the operation, and after that it will check for the condition. This is called as the do while loop. Okay, while value should not be equal to 0. Okay, the entered value should not be equal to 0. Okay, if user enter the 0, then it should terminate the program. When this list should be run, the value should not be 0. But what will happen is, it will first print this message. Okay, first it will make some operations, then it will check for the condition, that is while value is not equal to 0. Here it will print enter a number, means I have the value is here 0, so condition will be false, and but it will print one time. Okay, first it will print enter a number, then the whatever you enter that will stored in, and it will check for the condition, and something it will print. After that it will check for the condition. Okay, it will check for the condition. Once this condition false, the control comes out from the to while loop. Okay, next we will move to the programming session. Okay, here I have a class is okay, so I will create a class, public class value checker. Inside the value checker class I will declare main key public static void main string args string args, place closing brace, last opening class closing brace. Okay, I will declare a variable that is int value equal to 0. Int value equal to 0. Okay, so before that I will use a scanner class, is scanner and new scanner system dot yes. So for that I will import a package, import java dot type dot scanner. Okay, next I will use do while loop, do. Okay, system dot out dot println enter enter. Okay, okay, value equal to, I will read the value through the keyboard. value equal to in dot next. Okay, if value equal to 7, okay, if value equal to 7, then it's to print system dot out dot print again. That's the yes the key. Okay, if condition, then I will use again else if value equal to 13, then system dot out dot println. That's okay. That's complete. Next I will directly apply a condition, that is 5 value not equal to 0. Okay, next I will close in object. Close. Okay, I will show the program. That is the file name is value checker dot java. Value checker dot java. Here remember the class name and file name should be same. Okay, open command prompt, java c, go to command prompt, change the path in location, java c, name is value checker. We'll check the file name here, value checker dot okay, it's compiling. Yes, compiled successfully. Then java class name value checker. Enter a number. I will enter 7. It will print. That's the lucky. Okay, I will enter 0. It should be terminated. Yes, it's terminated. It's again, we need to again recompile the code. See here, java value checker. I will enter 13. That's unlucky. I will enter 0. It will terminate the program here. Okay, so this is the program. Stay home, stay safe.